From a standing position, bring the feet together or hip width apart, parallel. Lift your toes, spread them wide and place them back on the floor. Feel your weight evenly balanced through the bottom of each foot, not leaning forwards or back. Pull up the kneecaps, squeeze the thighs and tuck the tailbone slightly under. Feel the hips aligned directly over the ankles. The legs are straight but the knees are not locked. Inhale, lift out the waist, pressing the crown of the head up towards the ceiling, feeling the spine long and straight. Exhale and drop the shoulders down and back as you reach the fingertips towards the floor. Gently press the chest, the sternum towards the front of the room. Continue to reach out through your fingers. If you wish, you can go further in the pose and inhale the arms up, turning the palms up to face the ceiling. Fold, holding the arms at shoulder height, bringing the arms into a H position. Exhale, release the shoulders down from the ears while still reaching the crown and fingers up. Breathe for 4 to 8 breaths, and as you breathe, remind yourself of the words on the front. To release, exhale the arms down to your sides or bring the palms together in front of your chest in prayer position.